All right guys, so today we're going to be doing a little bit of interior work. We're going to be taking out the seat belts to ship them off to get turned into teal. The whole entire interior is going to be getting redone. So this is going to be the first part of it. I'm going to be taking out the seat belts. So first you got to pull off this. There's a clip right there, right there. It is a pain to get off. It is on there pretty good. Get your headrest off. There's two little pinholes right here on either side. Push them in, headrest comes off, and come back here to the back. Sling the seat all the way forward, pushed in, unclipped them, and then I'm gonna roll this off and get to the seat belt. So there's gonna be two little tabs down here in the corners. They're gonna be attached to this cardboard. Pull them out. All right, so I went ahead and pulled this back, took this off. I bolted the seat belt. It is just one 18mm bolt down there. And I'm just gonna put this out of my way. There's gonna be Velcro right here to keep the seat back tucked in, so you're not ripping anything when you pull on it. It's just that Velcro coming loose. I'm just gonna roll it all the way up until I get the seat back off. All right, so we got this rolled up now, and I'm just gonna leave that part on. I'm gonna figure out how to get this plastic piece off and then remove the seat belts. All right, so all I had to do is just grab right here and pull over. It's just got little slide downs to go over these notches right here. It's quite yummy, but I'm gonna go to the back, flip this over, and kind of separate this cushion. And okay, that's a lot more than I was expecting, but we'll go with it. All right, so I probably did this totally wrong, but now we see right here we got one bolt and maybe 1 and 2 up here. I'm not sure about those, but for sure possibly this one, and that'll at least lead us to maybe more bolts, because this doesn't feel like it's got anything else holding it in. All right, so the seat belts are in. These are the front. I've already got the driver's side in. I'm working on the passenger side now. You're gonna put them in the same way you took it all out. The back seats I took out off camera, but they're super easy, a lot easier than these, and yeah. All right, so I got all the seats torn apart, and I ordered this KBD seat warmer kit. I got 4 of them for like 110 bucks. These are the captain chairs. I have them all torn apart. So what I'm doing now is I just kind of poked a hole and ran this through, because these seats fold up like this, so I won't be able to do the top, this part like everybody else does. So I'm gonna try to figure out how to cut this out right here, stick it down. I just ran that down, and I'm running it down this bar so you don't see it. I also have the plastics that cover that up. So I'm gonna go ahead and go back up to the top. So the way my seats attach is right here on the sides and right here. The new upholstery doesn't use that. So all I gotta do is just cut this hole out, and then it'll be set. And then I'll stick it down and show y'all in a minute. All right, so now I got it cut out and I've got it glued on. Should stay. I'm a little worried about this gap right here on the sides, but should be fine. But it goes all the way down, have it run into the front, and then now I'm gonna do the back piece. Alrighty, and now I just got this in. I ordered this not too long ago, but it's from DKA 3D Printing. It is a charging port for the back cubby. So this console is not factory in my truck, so I just took that out and put this in. So I had some chargers, because I put the iPad kit in and it does not have chargers now. So we got the upholstery back, and I'm pretty excited to show y'all. I think it turned out pretty good. There's a few things I can nitpick about, but I'm not too worried about it. But yeah, so I'll show y'all. So I got the captain chairs in the back now. As you see, it's all diamond stitch, teal stitching to match the seat belts. The door panels as well are all matching stitching, diamond stitch on the sides as well. We have a brand new seat cushion right here. Put seat heaters in all the seats. Showed you all that. I just finished wiring it up. I'm not too sure where I'm gonna put the switches quite yet because I don't have anywhere to drill in right there, and I really don't want to drill into the side of the console. But yeah, we got the headrest done. Still waiting on the back ones to be done. They should be coming in soon. We have our grab handles as well, our A-pillar, sorry. And then the grab handle got done. We got new window switch covers on both sides. Eventually I'm gonna be getting a new steering wheel. This one's pretty bad. So if y'all have any hookups on steering wheels, I will be looking for one. So eventually I'm gonna do a sub box right here in the middle. Maybe put 2/8 in it. Not too sure yet, but pretty excited for it. I really like the iPad slider kit. I really didn't know that iPads didn't have Apple CarPlay, but it'll work. We can kind of, as you can see, you can set it up to have split screen. So while you're going down the highway, it'll show you everything. But yeah, pretty cool. Yeah. But yeah, I hope you'll enjoy. I'm really happy with how it came out. I mean, as you can see, there's a little bit of wrinkling right here and here, and just little stuff like that. I mean, you have stitching popping out, but it's not gonna be perfect. It's custom, so yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. Hopefully I have more to show y'all here eventually, and then, you know, you got the stars on the roof and everything like that. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoy this video. If you do, like and subscribe. Make sure to follow for some more content coming up out of this truck.